Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing a very simple and easy English story. The story is about a girl who goes to the market to buy groceries. This story will help you practice daily use English sentences and understand natural conversation. So listen carefully, enjoy the story, and try to learn new words. Let's start. It was a bright and pleasant morning. A young girl named Ria woke up early and stretched her arms. She looked outside the window and saw the sun shining softly. Birds were chirping, and the weather felt calm. Ria smiled and said to herself, "Today is a good day to buy groceries." Ria opened her notebook and checked her grocery list. She needed vegetables, milk, bread, rice, and a few snacks. She tied her hair, picked up her cloth bag, and got ready to go to the market. After locking the door, she began walking toward the grocery store near her house. The streets were not very crowded, and she enjoyed the walk. After a few minutes, Ria reached the grocery store. It was a small but neat shop. At the entrance, she saw the shopkeeper arranging fresh fruits in a basket. Ria picked up a shopping basket and greeted him. "Good morning," she said. "Good morning, Ria. How are you today?" The shopkeeper asked politely. "I'm good, thank you," she replied. Ria walked to the vegetable section first. She checked the tomatoes and chose the red, fresh ones. Then she picked some onions and potatoes. As she was selecting vegetables, another customer said, "These tomatoes look very fresh today, right?" Ria replied, "Yes, they look good. I think I'll take half a kilo." The customer nodded and moved on. Next, Ria went to the dairy section. She picked up a packet of milk, some curd, and butter. She loved making sandwiches, so she added a packet of bread to her basket. After that, she walked to the grains section to get rice. She looked at different sizes of packets and finally chose a medium one. As she walked around, she remembered she needed some snacks for the evening. She selected a packet of biscuits and a small packet of chips. She checked her list again and said softly, "Okay, I think I have everything." Ria then went to the counter to pay. The shopkeeper smiled and asked, "Did you find everything you needed?" "Yes, I found everything. Thank you," she said. He scanned all the items and packed them neatly in her bag. "The total is 420 rupees, he said. Ria took out the money from her wallet and handed it to him. "Thank you, Ria. Have a nice day," he said. "Thank you, you too," Ria replied. With her grocery bag in hand, Ria walked back home. The weather was still pleasant, and a light breeze touched her face. She enjoyed the fresh air as she walked. When she reached home, she placed the groceries on the kitchen counter and felt happy. She said to herself, "I finished all my shopping for the week." Ria made a cup of tea, sat near the window, and enjoyed her peaceful morning after a successful grocery trip. Thank you for watching.